Greetings to all our channel viewers. Today we'll tell you how food evolved. Breathe some cheer and let's get started. Food began with hunting. Fire provided taste, safety, and the first communal meals. The diet was seasonal. People learned to recognize edible food and share their findings. Cutting and smoking. Drying and smoking became the first storage technology, saving from hunger in winter. When grains appeared, bread emerged, food that was easy to store and transport. Agriculture changed everything. Food became predictable. Reserves and property appeared. The pot made it possible to cook soups, soft food, new flavors, and less waste. The Egyptians ate bread and drank beer every day. Food became part of the state. Trade brought diversity. Spices and oils linked cities and kitchens. In Greece, the meal became a culture, conversation, wine, and rules of conduct. The Romans turned dinner into a performance. Status was demonstrated through dishes and table sittings. Ancient China, chopstick showed neatness. Food became small, and meals became a ritual of harmony. India, spices gave birth to diversity. Food became the language of climate, religion, and family. Northern peoples, in the cold they valued pot and fish. Survival dictated taste and rules. Africa, the shared bowl strengthened community. Food was about unity, not individuality. America before Columbus, corn and cocoa created civilizations. Food became the basis of rituals and holidays. Medieval Europe, etiquette was simple. People ate with their hands, and bread served as a utensil and as a means of saving. The knife is the main utensil, salt is weighed. Social roles were wrought at the table.
Monasteries disciplined eating. Silence, moderation, and scodoplou formed habits.
Caravans mixed cuisines. Spices traveled faster than ideas and changed recipes. Japanese etiquette valued form, silence, respect, and beauty of each servant. Seafaring changed the menu. Sugar, coffee, and new crops crossed the oceans. Potatoes and tomatoes have revolutionized cuisine. Familiar dishes were once exotic. Coffee created a new sociality. The drink became a pretext for meetings and rules. France, the fork taught cleanliness. Etiquette became the language of aristocracy and self-control. England, tea drinking became an institution. Time, manners, and China disciplined everyday life. Italy, home cooking strengthened the family. Simple products created great flavors. Europe, tableware became personal. Everyone had a plate, and hospitality became a ritual. Palace ball, the order of servant gave birth to a dinner in courses. Food became a scenario, not just food. France, the restaurant has changed the rules. Privacy and a choice from a menu have replaced the communal pot. industrial city. Time has become more precious, lunch has sped up, and food has become fuel for work. Canned food provided mobility. Food went to war, to expeditions and to cities. Refrigerator. The cold has changed the house. Storage has increased. Shopping has become less frequent. The menu has become wider. USA. Fast food was born out of speed. Standardization promised the same taste everywhere. Chinese tea house. Small portions teach sharing. Food becomes communication and a collective decision. Middle East. Meze is the etiquette of generosity. Many small dishes show respect for the guest. Mexico. The street democratizes food. Taste lives where people meet. In France, wine gave birth to a language of taste. Nuances became status of cultural literacy. Ethiopia. Eating with your hands is also etiquette. Cleanliness, respect, and the general rhythm of the meal are important. Korea. Lots of side dishes. Balance. The table shows generosity and care through variety. Modern etiquette has crystallized. Cutlery and order reduce chaos and awkwardness. Food has become an industry of choice. The packaging tells more than the seller at the market. The whole world in one place. Taste mixed, and habits travel instantly. Delivery. We eat on click. Convenience changed ritual, and the kitchen becomes invisible. Food has become a companion to tasks. Snacking maintains productivity, replacing pauses in communication. Healthy lifestyle. Science has entered the menu. Calories, proteins, and balance have become the new form of etiquette. Veganism. Ethic influence choices. Food reflects values, climate, and attitudes toward animals. Allergens. Safety is a new rule. Asking about allergies is the new standard of respect. Social media. The camera has changed the meal. Presentation has become more important, and dinner has become content and memory. Street food has become a holiday. We hunt for tastes as for experiences. Michelin style. Haute cuisine is theater. Little food, much meaning, and maximum attention to detail. Family table today. The family agrees on the menu. Variety requires tact and respect for choice. Office lunch. We are optimizing lunch. Fast, convenient, but increasingly looking for flavor and a break. Tipping culture. Etiquette has gone into service. Ratings, tips, and reviews shape the behavior of both parties. We consider the footprint of food. Packaging, transport, and waste have become part of the choice. Bringing the ritual back inside. Eating slowly means listening to your body and respecting yourself. Vertical farms. Cities will grow food inside. Less land, less water, more sustainability. Protein will become a technology. The taste will be preserved, and the impact on nature will be dramatically reduced. Nutrition will become personalized. Food will heal, prevent risks, and save time. Even at a distance, rituals will emerge. Toasts, pauses, and togetherness will become more important than meals. Circular cuisine. The future will teach us to conserve. Taste, health, and zero waste will become the new norm.